What's up, Varla fans? Shawnyrick here, and guess what? I had Varla send me an unrepairable scooter and wants me to destroy it. That's right, wants me to destroy it. Wow. And does not want me to take it apart by the screws or anything. They really want me to have a lot of fun with opening this thing up to then show you guys what it looks like inside. So with that said, we first got to get the battery out so we don't blow ourselves up in the process, and we are gonna get started. Go ahead and get started with removing the Eagle One battery and how to do it safely. The first thing you're gonna want to do is to go ahead and take your grip tape off. And that is simple. You just simply find the edges of it here and you start just peeling it back. Just like that. You're going to want to take your Allen tool from Varla or any other Allen tool that you have, and then you're going to want to start to undo all of these screws right here, because this is how you're going to access your battery. You're looking at a 1 millimeter, I think, on getting these off. Yeah, so a 1 millimeter Allen wrench is what you're going to want, and then simply use a drill like so, or your Allen wrench, and just take the screws out one by one. Alright, so as soon as you have your screws off, you simply lift up the plate and put it off to the side, and then now you have your battery. So we're going to take the plate off. Then you have these little two-sided foam sticky things to help keep everything in nice order and condensed in there. And then what you want to do is you want to pull these wires out, get all of your plug and play deals out of the way, and get this up and all that, and then lift up on your battery and simply pull it out. And that's what it looks like underneath. This is your battery right here. It's all in good condition. Everything is solid. There's no damage done to it. All looks good. So once you have it out of the way, you're going to put it off to the side, and then you will see you have your main ones which feed the power to the scooter, and then you have your two ones that go to your ports on the outside for charging. So simple deal here. See if I can get this to balance right for me. Okay, so once you get your battery out of place, you're simply going to disconnect your plugs here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4.